Welcome guys in a new Photoshop tutorial. This time is all about masking and merging images. Like you can see in the example here, we merge the woman photo with the mountain and the sky using masking techniques in Photoshop. Before we begin, if you don't have the Adobe Photoshop installed in your machine, I placed the link in the description below where you can download the last version of Adobe Photoshop for free. And if you have any problem installing the software or applying today's lesson, just leave me a comment and I will reply to help you. Let's get started. So the first thing we are going to do is moving this nature image. We move it using the move tool and we place it as the top of the woman image. We convert the new layer to a smart object and using the Ctrl T from the keyboard, we place and we scale the nature image to make it exactly in the same size with the woman image here. So we select the nature image, we select the woman image, we go to select subjects. It is an automatic option which give us a very handy selection. We create a layer mask. We use the brush tool with the black color on the layer mask to remove these little points here, and we select and mask, and we adjust the adjustment here until we have the results we want. So we will try to adjust things here in the select and mask menu to make, and we will use the refine edge to make these edges here disappear, these little edges here of the hair of the woman which were touched with the yellow color from the background, from the original background. So we try to remove this little yellow color from the edges of the hair of the woman, of course, using the refine edge tool to make our layer mask very good, like you can see here. So what we are going to do now, we copy the layer mask and we create a second layer mask, but this time in the nature image with the mountain. We place the woman with the layer mask at the top and we choose the multiply mode. We go to adjustments, we choose the black and white adjustment, we apply it to just the woman image and the layer mask, and we adjust the yellow and the red from the black and white adjustment. We come back to the layer mask of the woman, and using the brush tool with the black color, we make these little parts here from the woman disappear. And of course, what will be shown is the image as the bottom, of course, which contains the nature. We create a new empty layer, we make it as the bottom of all the layers. We go to edit, fill, and we choose a color, for example some color from here, and we will use this color to fill the layer as the bottom, which give us a background, a new background, like you can see here. We come back to the layer mask of the nature, and using the brush tool, this time with the white color, we make things appear here, like you can see. Using masking techniques is very useful with the brush tool with the black color. It makes things disappear from the image, of course applying this tool on the mask and not on the image layer. And with the white color, it makes things appear again. So we choose the layer of the woman this time. We come back to the layer of the mask layer mask of the woman, and using the brush tool with the, of course, with the black color, it makes the hair disappear. But in my opinion, I think I should, in this example specifically, I think I should use the white color and make, of course, the hair of the woman appears again in this part here, and also the hair in this part here, of course, in the same manner, using the brush tool with the white color. And I come back to using the black color to make this little parts here disappear. It depends, of course, on your choices, on the image you are working on. All you have to be attentive on is using the brush tool with the white color on the layer mask makes things appear, and with the black color it makes things disappear. So like you can see here, we are using the brush tool with the white color. We make the hair of the woman appears again. So I think now it's fine. So I come back to the layer mask of the nature, and using the black color with the brush tool, I make these parts here at the top disappear. I think now it's better. We have a very wonderful result. Also, in these parts here, I will choose the white color to make the mountain appears just at the bottom of the woman, like you can notice here. Perfect. So I come back to the black and white adjustment. I will edit it a little. So double click here and I will change the red to something like, it depends of course on your choice, on your image you are working on. So I change the adjustment of the black and white adjustment, which is applied just on the woman face and not on the nature. And this is the final result. We get a very wonderful effect using just layer masking tools and the brush tool to make things appear and disappear. Alright guys, I wish you enjoyed this very useful tutorial. I guarantee you that you will use it at any time. It is very interesting techniques to work with in Photoshop. So don't forget to subscribe to get the tutorials coming up. If you have any issues installing the software or applying today's lesson, just leave me a comment and I will reply to help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorials.